Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and review for the Ugreen HiTune Max 5C. I wasn't really sure about this, but apparently Ugreen doesn't just make cables and chargers, and they also make audio products as well. We have the adaptive active noise cancellation and we have the spatial sound as well. It has the 5 minutes quick charge. I don't know what that means. 5 minutes, is it gonna make a full battery? And we have a 5 hours of ultra long playing time. So the Bluetooth version is 5.4, the latest and the greatest. So the original price of these headphones are $60, but at the time of this recording, it's like $40 on TikTok Shop. They don't sell this on Amazon, but they sell it on Walmart as well. On Walmart is the same price right now. Apparently everything is good on paper. Let's open the box and put it to the test. We have the manuals that nobody cares. So we have a USB Type-C cable in the box. I think this cable is for the PC use case, so you can connect it directly to the headphone if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. And we also have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C for charging. This is the headphone itself. Check this out. I actually like the design of this headphone. It's very light and the quality of the plastic is actually good. It's not like those cheap, like, I don't know, Chinese brands. We have some cushion on the top there. It's not much. I don't think it's gonna do anything. And we have some cushions for the ears, but the cushion, when you press it, it doesn't bounce back like immediately. I don't know. It might be comfortable. I have to try it. So we have a bunch of buttons on the right side. We have a plus and minus and power. We have an active noise cancellation button. And we also have a USB Type-C jack for connecting using the cable. And this is the range of twisting these headphones. And you can just collapse it like this as well. The thing is, it doesn't come with a pouch, so you don't have a case or pouch just to put it in with the cable. So you might have to carry it around like this. And I guess at this price point, it makes sense. They needed to save somewhere. I really like the design actually. It's really premium design. It shows like this headphone is not cheap. If you put it on your ear, nobody gonna know it's like $40. They might think it's like $70 or $80. They really did a good job in terms of the design. And I really like the gold on these handles. Let me just put it on to see how comfortable this is. Actually fits perfectly on my ear. I really like it. When I put it on, it already blocked so much of the noise. It's not even on. And that's pretty good, yeah. So this is the look of this thing. And the cushions are pretty comfortable as well. I mean, I don't really feel anything. And it's very light. I really like how light it is. All right, let's connect it to my phone and we can test the audio quality. Let me just try the active noise cancellation. So I'm not sure if it's on or off right now. Hello. Oh, that's interesting because this headphone has an ambient sound. So if you press the active noise cancellation, it will activate the microphone so you can hear the outside world. So basically, if you go to the gym and somebody comes to talk to you, you don't have to take off the headphone and you can actually talk to them using this ambient mode because the microphone's gonna be activated so you can hear what people say and what's happening around you. That's a really huge plus. Okay, so we only have 3 options: noise canceling on, noise canceling off, and ambient mode, which is the activating the microphone. Okay, right now I'm in noise canceling mode. There's a lot of wind outside and it pretty much blocked most of the noise, but I have a automatic cat litter box that I was cleaning in the background and I could hear it still even though it was in the bathroom. So I could say the active noise cancellation is it's decent, but it's not the best. Okay, so I just stepped out for a minute just to try the active noise cancellation so I can give you my honest opinion. When I activate the noise cancellation, it pretty much eliminated all of the birds sound and the wind sound. All of them are gone. But in the background, I could hear a sound of a truck that just reversing, and I could hear that beep, something like that. I could still hear it. And there were some cars just on the street, they're just passing by, and they were just going like, I guess, going fast. So I could hear that as well. I could give like 7 out of 10 to this active noise cancellation. I would say for the average use case, it's pretty good. All right, so let's try and listen to some music. First, I'm gonna try the pop music. Then I'm gonna try the dance music. And third, I'm gonna try the heavy metal and rock music because not many headphones are good for like rock and heavy metal.
You wanna guess the color of my underwear?
The bass sounds like you're in a club or something. It's like a really nice bass. I like the bass. To be honest, I like the bass, and the vocals are good as well. It's clear, crisp. Uh, it's not bad so far.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, I would say the bass is a little bit too much. That really overpowers most of the song. And I was gonna say, when the bass is too powerful, that's not a really good sign. I mean, that shows the headphone is not really balanced.
Now he's thinking about me.
Now that I'm listening to more song, I would say the bass is just too much. That overpowers pretty much the whole song. I don't know what they thought. They thought maybe just boost the like bass to the max, people are gonna love it. It actually backfired. So the bass is too much. So that's a pop. I guess it's pretty average, pretty okay for the pop music. Let's try the dance music. I don't know, with this level of bass, how's that gonna sound? I mean, the song that I'm listening right now, it started really good with the vocals and a little bit of bass, but when the bass dropped, it just ruined the song because the bass is too much. I don't know if, I mean, that's the default version of the headphone, and I test every headphone at the default version just to know if it's a good headphone or not, and they just ruined it. I mean, I bet if I go to the equalizer and just try to, I don't know, adjust the equalizer lower than the bass, it's gonna be a lot better experience because the vocals are really crisp and clear. That shows there's a potential with these headphones, but right off the bat, the bass is just too much. I don't know. I'm just trying to find out if they have an app that you can actually manage and change the equalizer. Oh, there's actually an app. Before I install the app, let's try the heavy metal music. Yeah, that bass doesn't help any genre. That's just too much. The app is called Power Roam. They don't even have a dedicated app for headphones. All right, now we can find the device. We need to connect to Wi-Fi for some reason. So if I double press the power button, it will bring out the Google Assistant or maybe an iPhone Siri or something. That's interesting. I don't think this is the right app for this headphone because it doesn't even find it. Yeah, I guess it's just for the power station, not for the headphones. I mean, every phone has an equalizer, so you can change stuff around. Right now, we were on the normal mode. The thing is, I don't really know how to use equalizer, so I really rely on the headphone to be balanced. I never touched the equalizer on my phone. This is the first time I'm doing this because there is no app to actually change stuff here. So on the equalizer, I'm gonna put it on the pop mode. Maybe that would change stuff. So let's try and go back to Spotify and play the pop music I just played. Maybe.
Into the day, I think he's with it. Try it. Now he's thinking about me. It ain't no fun if you don't.
The equalizer helped a little, but not very much in this case. I really don't know which frequency is the bass, so I cannot really change it, and not many people have that knowledge to be able to just adjust however they like. Let's try the rock, maybe that will change. I'm just gonna say it. If you pay $40 for this headphone, you're just gonna get $40 of audio. It's not anything special or anything great about it. I mean, the vocals are good, but the bass definitely just ruins everything. It's just too much. I mean, if you like an audio engineer, you can go into the equalizer and change it based on every time you like listening to different music. You can do that, but for the average person, just changing the equalizer every time they want to listen to something, not gonna happen. Yeah, it's just a pretty average headphones. I don't know what to say. And for the last test, let's just go ahead and test the microphone to see if you have a phone call, how does it gonna sound. If we are testing the microphone on the Ugreen. All right, now we are testing the microphone on the Ugreen headphones to see how the audio quality, is it good, is it bad? If you're doing a phone call, how's that going to sound? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that was the test. The test of the microphone was pretty good. I mean, you can hear what I'm saying, and it's not really bad. But the thing is, it just goes and spikes out of the norm. So it cuts off, it clips out. So that's not a good sign. So the microphone is average as well. So I have everything to conclude my review. The noise cancellation, active noise cancellation was like decent, not the best. The noise is too powerful, it's not gonna be able to eliminate it. The audio quality for the vocals, great vocals. The bass wasn't just it. If you can find a way to like lower the bass a lot more and make it more balanced, it would be a good headphone. But right now, for the average consumer, it's not. You cannot really just go and change the equalizer every time you're listening to different music. It should be balanced right off the bat, because I had headphones that are doing that right off the bat without changing anything, like Soundcore Live Q30, one of my all-time favorite, is the one that does everything great. So if you want to like buy a headphone, you better spend like $40 more and get that headphone. Pretty much, I wouldn't buy this. I wouldn't pay $40, $50 for this headphone because I'm not gonna enjoy the music. So what's the point? Wasting money. I can spend like a $40 more and really enjoy it. I mean, the Soundcore Live Q30, mwah. Even the JLab, I have another JLab here. Even I have this JLab headphones that are way better than this headphone. They also have active noise cancellation. I forgot the model number on this, but I can link it down in the description for you guys if you want to check it out as well. So basically, if you pay $40 for these headphones, you're gonna get a value of $30. I don't recommend buying this, so I don't know, it's up to you. If you want to spend that much and get it, it's up to you, but I don't recommend it. All of my videos are super honest. I don't get paid from any of these companies, and I just want to help you make a better decision, and I want you to spend your money where it matters and if the product is worth it. I'm going to let you know 100% honest. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.